Hello, I'm Dr. Joe Morensic, developer and one of the teachers of the Shaker Heights High School Engineering and Science Technologies Career Tech Education Program. Our program emphasizes engineering, robotics, and machining. In our CTE courses, students will learn engineering and advanced manufacturing skills and practices through authentic hands-on, engaging projects.
I've really learned a lot through hands-on experience because I have been able to take what I already know and transfer it into real-life applications.
The Shaker Heights Machining and Manufacturing Room is something that is entirely brand new to Shaker Heights High School, and it is something that is also very unique to our surrounding community. In this classroom, students will be getting an extensive amount of hands-on experience. They will work with hand tools, power tools, and then the various machine shop tools. So there is no shortage of what a student can learn in this classroom.
When I first walked in here, I was kind of shocked because I've never seen this much equipment in a school at all, and I'm excited to work on all of the things because I just feel like you get the feel for yourself then actually listen to a teacher talk. You can get how it feels to them, but you wouldn't get the experience for yourself.
I had some experience with some of this equipment, like the sand belt and the drill. I took robotics last year and we did some of that stuff. But the lathe, I had no clue what that was or even how to even operate that. So it's very exciting to learn how we actually cut metal with that.
They really are starting to see themselves now that they have these actual tools in front of them. They're seeing themselves. I call them practitioners of the mechanical arts.
Students, you will use a variety of tools, equipment, and machinery, including 3D printers, laser cutters, a thermal vacuum former, a wind tunnel, industrial robots, and industrial mills and lathes.
Teachers often hear in their classrooms from their students, when am I ever going to use this? And the great thing about this course is they can start using this immediately with partnerships and internships that the Shaker Heights schools have developed with local manufacturing companies.
Mr. McGuan, he said that this kind of stuff, like the lathe and the sand belt and this machining course, is actually very helpful for mechanical engineering and also for future jobs in vehicles or even NASA.
Students, you can also earn in-demand industry credentials, including FANUC Industrial Robots Handling Tool Operations and Programming Certification, NIMS Level 1 Machining Certification, Autodesk Inventor Certified User Certification, OSHA 10-hour certification, and CPR AED First Aid certification.
I think many of us that live in the area do not realize that you just go a couple miles away and there are all these little and some big manufacturing facilities. Every time I drive by one of them, there's a sign outside that says, "Help Wanted." These businesses are looking for people that can come in day one and start working.
I feel like when I go off to college, I won't be this is something brand new to me. I already have a hands-on experience with something that I already know instead of just jumping in and not knowing what I'm doing.
Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon in our Engineering and Science Technologies program at Shaker Heights High School.